नायब अमरीकी सदर जेडी वैंस ने ईरान से मुआहदे को अमरीका की एक बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी करार दिया। फॉक्स न्यूज से बातचीत में जेडी वैंस ने तस्दीक की कि वो अमरीका ईरान मुआहदे की तकरीब दस्तखत में शिरकत का इरादा रखते हैं ताकि ये भी मुमकिन है कि सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप भी खुद उस तकरीब का हिस्सा बने।
Well, first of all, I do think it's a big moment for the United States of America, thanks, of course, to the president's leadership and the hard work of the entire team. Three things that I think are important for the American people just to appreciate about what this deal does for all of us as Americans. Number one, this is the immediate opening of the Straits of Hormuz and, of course, the lifting of the naval blockade that we've had on Iran along with it. The number two thing that it means is that Iran will never have a nuclear weapon, and not just pursue a nuclear weapon, but procure or try to buy a nuclear weapon as well. That's built into this agreement. And then the third thing is, and this only happens, to be clear, if Iran delivers on their promise. And so there's an approach here where we verify and where there are real benefits so long as Iran meets their end of the obligation. But if the Iranians comply with this deal, it is going to fundamentally transform the Middle East for the next 50 years.